As far back as the 3rd of March 2023, we indicated that Tesla, or rather projected that Tesla could reach $270. And on Tuesday, the 20th of June, that came to pass. It surpassed that target and reached all the way towards the $273.76. So we made our projection after the stock had reached the $190. That's all the way back then in March. So since that time, it has continued to cool off. And also before that time, before that video on the 3rd of March, we also noted that the folks at Morningstar, they have a fair value estimate of $220 for Tesla stock. And also it also seems that Morgan Stanley are also trying to also point out that the stock is fully valued. They also downgraded it slightly just a few days ago on the 22nd of June. That was when they downgraded the stock. But also they also went on to point out that artificial intelligence continued to rear its buzzwordy head with lead analysts at Morgan Stanley previously perceived the stock as a significant beneficiary of the industry. Morgan Stanley did hike its price target to $250 from $200, but still anticipates lackluster revisions to its next earnings report. So from a broader perspective, heading into the last trading session, that was the session of the 23rd of June, 14 of the 24 analysts covering the stock spot a tepid hold or strong sell recommendation for the stock. But on the other hand, billionaire investor Ron Barron expects Tesla to see long-term gains hitting $500 per share within the next 2 years. And charging stations were also making strides in Texas after the state set requirements to fit Tesla and CCS guidelines to receive funding. Okay. Meanwhile, Rivian was also making noise after it agreed to adopt Tesla's charging standards in its own EVs, expanding access to the latter company's 12,000 US and Canadian charging stations by 2024. This attention, combined with the stock's May outperformance, sent Tesla shares surging towards 8-month highs and logging 15 wins in the last 19 trading sessions. This includes a 5.3% jump on that day, the 20th of June, when it surpassed that $270 price target, and a breakout above several key trend lines. The $210 level, which has performed as both resistance and support in the past year, was conquered during one of these breakouts, as well as the descending 200-day moving average. Aiding this climb has been a trend line connecting higher lows, which stems from the stock's January 2023 bottom. Okay, resistance has moved in as well, however, with a trend line of higher highs since mid-February, forming a ceiling for Tesla's aforementioned June peak. So this is that rally we're talking about, the May. Okay, this is as of when we came up with that projection. 3rd of March, we had it was at 159, I believe, 159. Okay, so and it continued to extend 159. Oh, sorry, this is May. Sorry, yeah, this is when it all began. This is May. This is 20 end of March, end of April. So you can see the whole of this is the whole of May. Look at that, the whole of May, and in fact the whole of May and June. So it's just been accelerating upwards. So on this daily chart, we don't have the algos. There are no projections on there are no proper projections for the stock. So but we can calculate one ourselves. So we take this high of we make it modest. We take this I would say this lower high, this resistance of 264.66, and subtract 256 from it, 256.39. let's get that. 265.49. let's get our calculator out. 265.49, 265.49 subtract what from it? Subtract 256.39, 256, and we get 9.1. Multiply that by our usual extension level of 2.618. You can always use 1.618. You can just use 1. You can use 3.618, to determine what as your extension level. So we using 2.618, and we get 23.82, 23.8238. We add that to where it is right now. We add that to the current price of the current price of 256.39 plus 256.39, and we get 280.21. That would take it above. That will be a new 52-week high. Is that a new 52-week high? 280. Would that be a new 52-week high? No, it will not. It will not be a 52-week high. But currently there are no projections on this daily chart. The algos we have right now are not projecting anything. But as sessions progress, as the days progress, that one might come out. But on the weekly chart, we have a projection of $268, and then we also have a more ambitious $240.62. So. We have, like you saw, completed a projection of 280.21, and the algo is projecting $268.91 and $340 on the weekly chart. So Tesla stock strongly bullish since the whole of May, and in fact the whole of May and June has just remained strongly bullish. Our $270 price target was achieved on Tuesday, the 20th of June. See what you make of Tesla stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.